Today, I'm going to show you some really cool customization features inside of TruePartner AI regarding the contact fields and creating custom fields for your clients. Now, why would somebody want to use this? Well, as you get into marketing and building your business, you're likely going to have a lot of custom information that you're going to want to store, you're going to want to sort, and you're going to want to probably use in some automations as you get down the road. So being able to customize what kind of data that you can attach to your contacts is really, really critical. And in TruePartner AI, it's actually super, super easy. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So first thing, we're going to jump over to TruePartner AI, and this is the contact manager. I'm going to go ahead and just click on Homer Simpson here at the top. Now you can see on the left-hand column all of the basic info about Homer, email address, phone number, et cetera, et cetera. But there's going to be other information we're going to want to collect and store. So as we scroll down a little bit, you'll see these three expandable menus. Now, inside of these expandable menus are even more fields, and there's even more fields and even more fields. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create these expandable menus and how to create custom fields that go inside of those menus. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, and we're going to go to custom fields. Okay. So here in custom fields, you can see all of the custom fields that have been created for your package of TruePartner AI. But first, I'm going to show you the folders tab right here. Okay. So here are the folders that were listed. Now, these probably look familiar. You saw these three, actually four, inside of Homer's contact record. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to create a new folder. So you're going to click on new folder. And let's just say that you're running a survey or you have some other data that you want stored, but we'll just call this survey data. And then the object is going to be contact. Now, if I select one of these other two, then it will create a folder inside of the other. So this will go inside of our pipeline, but here we want the contact record. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save, and you can see how it just pops up right there. We're all set to go. And now I'm going to go to back to all fields and create a new field by going up here in the right hand corner. And let's just say we'll just throw in a number. We'll make this easy. So you may be using a survey where you want to collect data on a funnel or a web page or whatever, even a live event, and you want to store the contents of that the responses inside of the actual record. So let's say, for example, that one of the survey questions is approximate credit score. So what's your approximate credit score? So I'm going to select number. You can see I have all these other options as well. And I'm going to click next. And then I will name that field. So let's call it approximate credit score. Okay, perfect. Now I can select the folder here. So there it is, our survey data. And the contact or the object is going to be the contact. So we want it to create that field inside of the survey data folder and inside of the contact record. Okay, if you want to pre-fill it, you can do all that stuff. That's fine. But we're going to go ahead and hit save. And there it is. It's showing up right there. Now, if I go to my folders, you'll see the survey data folder, and you'll see that we've got one custom field in there, which is the approximate credit score. I'm going to go back. We're going to go back to contacts. And here's Homer right here. Now you can see here's survey data. It's all sitting there, and the approximate credit score. And it's all set to go. Now, the cool thing about this whole setup is when you're creating surveys or you're collecting data or you're doing marketing, maybe it's a Facebook lead ad or whatever the case may be, TruePartner AI will capture all of that data, and it can map out to each one of those or any one of those custom form fields that you've created. So, and then once it's in there, what's really cool is you can start doing automated things, for lack of a better word. You can do some automations that will collect some of that data and move it around and do whatever you need to do. So you can keep track of your customers. You can give your customers the right kind of message because you're getting the right kind of data and you're storing it. So anyway, go into that custom field section and feel free to play around Even if you accidentally screw something up, it's not going to really mess anything up because you can always create folders again. You can always create the custom fields, and it's pretty much unlimited. You can have as many fields as you want, and you can have as many folders as you want. So, and by the way, anytime you create a form or a survey that has a custom question in it, like that approximate credit score, it will automatically create that custom field for you. So just be aware of that. So you're organizing them how you wish inside of your system. Okay. All right. Hope that helps.